Hey, I'm Canniny.
So look what I'm wearing.
Yeah, finally my clothes sample comes. So today I'm gonna quick introduce the first series of my clothes. Moon, here, and for my skirt, I have my name in this side and back.
I'm gonna to go out and take some pictures now, and if also take some videos and show how does those outfits look and just those kind of things.
I forgot to tell something that some people ask me if I can make male clothes. It's not possible, but because since I just started, so I need sometimes to design and maybe get more incomes, then I can make more different kind of clothes like that. And for then this time the first series is all limited, like how many people gonna order it, and then I'm just gonna order from the factory, all those things. So maybe in the future I will have everything like all, and